Hey guys, it's your Ford Focus here, and today we're going to be celebrating New Year's. That's right. We only have 2 minutes until the New Year starts, and we're going to see what these brand new amazing fireworks do. Yeah, that's right. And basically 20 Pies was so generous enough to bring in the 2018 fireworks, where you can launch one into the sky, and then a 2018 engraving appears in the sky. It's really cool. If I could just move on and try to sew one there. There we go. So you see part of 2018, and we got less than a minute. That's right. So this is the last video of 2018 and the first video of 2019. So we are going to be seeing what happens with the firework happens. In fact, in the living room right now, as my family's watching, the ball will be dropping in less than 30 seconds. So this is going to be amazing. We'll see what's going to happen at 12 o'clock midnight. And I'd like to thank you guys for so much support. This has been the biggest growth this year. We've earned over 1,100 subs. We have less than 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! So basically nothing happened. More fireworks blew, but it's amazing. I think they have a big 2018 rating up there. So yes guys, Happy New Year. This was the last video of 2018 and the first of 2019. And again, if I like to take a little bit of my time longer, I'd like to thank you guys for so much for support. Not only has this been the biggest year for Ultimate Drawing, but this has also been the biggest year in my YouTube history. That's right. For the first 2 years, I've only had 232 subscribers. But this year gained over 1,100. And the reason that is because of all you guys for Ultimate Drawing. Now I have 1,420 subscribers. And it's only going to get better. Somewhere in 2019, we are definitely going to reach 2,000 subscribers. Maybe even 3,000. There will definitely be more Ultimate Driving content. More Ultimate Driving leaks. But yeah. So guys, from Eastern Standard Time, I wish you guys a Happy New Year. Maybe you'll have a great first day of 2019, and that the year may be very great as well. Even better in 2018 that Ultimate Drawing gets so successful. So yes, dismissing the video, the last firework in 3, 2, 1, go.